Hey hustlers, welcome back to Learn Business. You've heard the hype, AI is the future. But what does that actually mean for your business? Whether you're running a one-person brand, a small shop, or a growing team, AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. In this video, I'm breaking down how real-world entrepreneurs are using AI to save time, cut costs, serve better, and grow faster. Let's get into it. Let's clear the fog. Artificial intelligence isn't some sci-fi robot takeover. At its core, AI means using machines to think, analyze, and act like humans, but faster and at scale. It can understand text, analyze data, spot trends, generate content, and automate tasks. And the best part, you don't need to code or be a tech genius. If you're a solo entrepreneur or small team, you don't have 10 assistants. You've got you, and maybe some chaos. That's where AI helps. It's like hiring 5 virtual team members without paying 5 salaries. You save time, work smarter, and scale faster. AI can write your emails, respond to customers, manage your calendar, create graphics, help with sales scripts, and analyze customer behavior. Here are AI tools real hustlers are using today. First, ChatGPT. Generate blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, and answer customer questions. Use it for emails, website content, pitch writing. Free plus paid at $20 per month. Canva with Magic Write combines AI writing and design. Grammarly fixes grammar and improves tone. Both save hours on content creation. Perfect for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, emails, and landing pages. Pictory turns blog posts into videos. Tidio creates AI chatbots for customer support. Looker generates logos and brand kits in seconds. With tools like Zapier, automate everything. When someone fills a form, auto-send welcome emails. When customers buy, auto-generate thank you messages. Use AI for smart decisions. Google Analytics with AI insights. HubSpot for lead scoring. Surfer SEO for content optimization. It's like having a marketing analyst, SEO expert, and sales strategist in your laptop. Let's keep it real. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. AI can't feel emotion, build relationships, or replace your voice and experience. People buy from people. Use AI to save time and work smarter, but remember to amplify, not replace your human touch. Here's how to start today. Pick one area to test. Try ChatGPT plus Canva. Build a 15-minute daily habit. Track what saves you time and stress. Keep learning. AI is moving fast. So if you're a hustler trying to grow in 2025, AI isn't just a tech trend. It's your secret weapon. Tell me in the comments, what's one AI tool you're going to try this week? Like this video if you found value, subscribe for real business content every week. Until next time, automate smart, build bold, and keep hustling.